actually Craig's here with me. And
I'm not really here, I'm a loser.
anyway, you can see behind us, we got the green bean back here. And
This is BOoGeR.
oh, what's the BOoGeR? Anyway, Craig broke it.
I did not.
Already.
It still runs and drives.
Barely.
I drove it to work this morning.
So, tell them what happened.
I passed somebody doing felony speeds, and I went to shift to fifth gear and it locked me out. And I had this much clutch pedal. So we're here to fix that today.
So the pedal went where?
To the flow.
He said to the flow. So it's broken. Because he broke it.
And it stayed on the flow.
I'm pretty sure the pressure plate's bad. So, we got it down here at Craig's workshop, where he works, as a mechanic with a K. And we're going to put a clutch in this thing. We just thought we'd bring you guys along, hang out with us. So yeah, we've already got it on the rack. We've got the shifter and stuff taken loose. For the most part, we still got some of that, more of that to do. And yeah, we're gonna get this thing took apart and see how bad it really is.
It says it's 36 inches, you think it's long enough?
It should be. So there's this new clutch pedal line. What else you got? Oh, is that an MGW?
No.
It says MGW.
Don't look at that. Don't look at
You
that.
got a nice fancy one. Them ain't cheap.
No, it's not.
Alright, what else you got in here?
Just rest of the shifter stuff.
Okay. Is that a lightweight flywheel I see? Yeah. All these daggum go fast parts.
And a XTD Mach 500.
Mach 500. So anyway, we're gonna get this situated so that we can get it took apart. I think we. No, I wasn't driving. And yeah, you got the 10 millimeter.
You know why?
Why?
Because I'm not really here. I'm a loser.
No, you're here because Green Bean's here.
This is BOoGeR.
Sorry, BOoGeR. I don't know why you named it BOoGeR. Craig already sprayed some exhaust bolts and stuff down at the bottom, so hopefully, minus the armadillo entrails, it should come loose pretty easily, right?
No armadillo pissed me off though or not.
How many armadillos you hit with this car? Was it 2 or 3?
That one would make number 4.
You're not hit any armadillos or any animals, period, until he gets this, and then he's just.
I've hit armadillos with Fox.
Oh.
It just didn't damage it like it did this one.
Yeah, we put a chin spoiler on the front. And he already broke that.
The armadillo did it.
So he broke the clutch, broke the chin spoiler.
Excuse my language, but it was a fat ass armadillo. I mean, what was I supposed to do?
Armadillos are like mini tanks with legs, if you didn't know what an armadillo was.
Obviously, that one was eating pretty good. So.
And they frequent Alabama down here. It's not something you want to hit with your car. There's 2 10 millimeter, blah, blah, blah. There's 2 10 millimeter bolts needs to come out before we raise the car up.
I don't look at my toolbox. It's dirty.
Why is it dirty? It's not. So this is where Craig normally works, and usually there's like a big oil spill on the bottom.
No, this thing's been working for like the last 2 weeks.
That's good. All right. Well, anyway, we're gonna get things situated. We'll bring you guys back. We'll get the car up and see what happens. Where did we go wrong? Alright guys, so we've already got the exhaust sprayed here, right here. Spray's already sprayed up here at the chat. So we're going to get the exhaust down next. This crossbar is going to come off. And yeah. What do you think, Craig? It's going to work? put some gloves on, because Craig be running over these armadillos, and there's armadillo all under here. So, yeah.
I'll show you armadillo.
Yeah, right there. There's all kind of chunky armadillo. Look like beef jerky. That come off for you.
What happens when you got room to get under something?
Yeah. Because normally we're under here fighting everything. Everything. Alright, that's loose. We need a little hammer to tap the collars up clear.
Go ahead.
Alright, that's it.
Literal sparks coming off of it.
Unplug the oxygen sensor.
Oxygen sensor.
We don't need those for we're done. Alright guys, so now that we got the mid pipe down, or the H pipe, we got to get the other oxygen sensor unplugged. Oh, it's got a zip tie on it. That's factory.
Look, I never said the car was perfect.
Actually, I think that is factory.
Make up your mind.
It's a factory zip tie.
Is it factory or not?
Factory. It's a Craig factory.
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 Factory. Yeah, there's armadillos up on top of the H-pipe.
Alright, oxygen sensors. We don't need them where we're going. Get the collector clamp out of the way. That hot potato, ready to go. I got my big head in front of the camera.
I'm not ready.
One potato, two potatoes, three. Alright guys, so this cross brace here needs to come off. And I'm not gonna do it over here. So we'll get a ratchet wrench in here. Now actually kind of angled up a little bit. Good thing. Not bad at all. Click on it. And guys, where you can, like if you're unsure of where bolts go, I just like to stick them back.
I don't care about that.
So you don't lose them. Because Craig doesn't have any bolt trays under here.
My favorite ratchet.
Your favorite one? That swivel head?
Yeah, I like it too.
Yeah. Oh. See if you can get in there, big one. I'll let you do it. It looks like metal gaskets, so there are. You want to spray them one time? One more again?
One more again.
Yeah, just
One more again.
one more again. We don't do one more again, Gil.
Alright, swivel.
Swivel.
Pivot. Pivot.
All right, explain to him what you're doing, Craig.
We're taking the nuts for the catalytic converters off.
So those are 15, so we get the camera in there. So that's where we're working at, guys. Sorry, the tripod was not tripoding. What's going on? Is they awful tight?
Tweet. I got a trick, though.
What's the trick? So Craig says when all else fails, use a bigger hammer.
Oh no!
I don't know that you're gonna get that in there, bud.
Oh no! Get on the nut. Thank you.
Lefty loosey?
Ride it tighter.
Ride it tight.
Ride it loose.
There it goes. One of them hot cold cycles.
An armadillo.
And armadillos. Don't be afraid to put some sauce on it. That's what Craig's saying. If they break, we just have to do something else. They're getting long tubes anyway, right? Yeah. Craig said hopefully not today, but... Alright, we got it coming loose now. Craig broke it, so...
Mike's the one that broke it.
You told me to.
Well, the cat. Sir, you need cat patch admission. Not where I'm coming from.
Yeah.
Not where I'm going.
But you got one of them electric ratchets?
No, it's in the shop right now.
Ooh, that's hot. Alright, so as you can see, it's got one stud on the left, no stud on the right. That's Craig's fault.
Mike's fault.
I think we can knock that out and put a, if we have to, we can put a bolt and a nut. Looks like the gasket's still good. Anyway, carry on to the other side, Craig.
I don't wanna. I have PTSD.
How many miles this car got on it again?
62,000.
62,000. Golly. And we're already breaking bolts. I'm just glad it don't have that much more miles on it again. Alright, so the transmission's out. Craig's working on the throwout bearing over there. We got it bled. Got the new flywheel. Alignment pins ready to go. The old clutch is out. Got some grease. Hey Craig.
Hey, hold on.
How heavy is that MT82? That one. Right there. Is that bad?
No, it's heavy.
Yeah, that. Yeah, it's heavy. How you get so dirty?
Taking the pressure plate loose.
That's what it's junk in his car.
Hey,
Oh, man.
hey.
We'll get back to it. Alright, guys. If it'll focus. There we go. We got the new steel braided brake line, or I'm sorry, clutch line in. So we got it routed down there. If it'll, you can really see it. Cause the camera don't want to focus. Oh, there we go. It focus now. Craig, you focus? Craig not focus.
What?
You focus?
No.
Craig no focus. Anyway, so now we got it routed down to where it goes. So we're pretty much done under the hood now. Craig still no focus. Anyway,
What?
it's so nice.
Come
Alright,
on in.
time to put transmission in.
We gotta do a lot of other stuff before we do that.
Time to put transmission in.
We gotta change the fluid. We gotta put the guitar bearing on it. We gotta put the shifter on it. We gotta put the clutch still on the motor.
It's broken. Alright, so this is our new MGW X-Spec shifter that Craig is ready to put in. And
I'm not ready to put it in.
so it's kind of a learning experience. I've never done one of these, have you?
This is my first ever Coyote car.
So that's going to be a no.
First ever MT82.
Put you guys on the tripod here. So you guys knows how crappy these cars shift, or the shifters feel. So hopefully this kit fixes all that.
I just know how to take bolts out.
This is linkage coupler there.
Bye bye, junky shifter.
Oh yeah, this thing is. That's it. It do say Ford on it though.
I don't care what it says. Junk. If it don't say MGW, I don't want it.
That's what you had the fonts with it. Alright. Well, let's see what we can do. Alright guys, so this is our linkage. So it shows you go just like this. And it's going to pin, the factory pin. We'll have to put some thread locker on it. This is the new shifter holder. So this is the old style. But you got 3 bolts and it comes off the top up here, right? So this uses these. Go on there like that. That's actually going to be. That's going to be a lot more solid for sure.
No more misship.
It's all billet aluminum.
No more lockout.
So we're going to try to get this thing locked up, and we'll bring you guys back here in a minute once we get a little further along with it. think this is what you're supposed to adjust here.
Well, that's reverse locking out.
Yeah, you got to push down. Oh yeah. That's it too. Look, it's first, second, third, fourth. All right, Craig. So we got the shifter mounted. Look at that. Of course, the transmission a little dirty. It got a leak. Don't show them no more. All right, we got our friction modifier and our dual clutch transmission fluid. And let's see. Craig is working on making sure all this lines up. Pull it off real quick so I'll show them the flywheel.
Oh,
The flywheel look nice on there.
I just got it lined up.
He done got it shiny and clean.
Kind of clean.
That's good enough. So now we're going to get the clutch and pressure plate installed. And then Craig said he was going to pick the transmission up by itself and put it in here. That's not what I heard. Craig said he was going to pick it up and put it in there.
I'm not picking up the transmission by myself.
That's what you said.
I'm not.
You said that.
You're lying.
You said that.
You're lying.
You said that.
You're a liar.
Craig, I have his ZMT82. Alright, so, what? What?
Is that going to interfere with anything?
What?
That ball right there?
No,
The clutch is like really close to it.
it's fine. It's fine. Okay, so anyway, we're going to try to get the clutch pack, pressure plate on, everything lined up, and put transmission in. So that's where we're at now. Alright, so we're getting some Loctite on here. That's going to work.
Probably not.
It's not the extra I was looking for.
Are you going to work?
Am I going to work? We've been working, man.
It squeeze you. It squeeze you. How much that ain't gonna hold me that angle like that?
I like the angle.
See, that third bolt's supposed to line up with something. But it don't. It's supposed to have a 9-bolt pressure plate. Guess that's what I get for trying to use the ACT clutch or flywheel with a city clutch.
What you gonna do with all that junk?
All that junk inside
do
that
a
trunk.
trunk.
I'm gonna get you a trunk. Get you a little trunk out of my home. My home.
So we only one more.
I love you anymore. I see it all the way up there.
Oh no.
Am I gonna have to put that one in?
I might be able to do it. Hang on. I can't see it, but
To your left. To your left. Right there.
you wasn't kidding. I told you it's all the way at the top. All the way at the top. All of them is started in. They have tree bolts left over.
I told you it's supposed to be a 9-bolt pressure plate.
We don't need those.
That's not how that works.
It's an overseas application.
You know, this is not overseas though. That's fine.
It is.
That's fine.
It's just a junky Mustang.
Alright, I think that is. Alright, yeah.
We're gonna get this tightened down and yeah, bring you guys back in a minute.
Jesus, help me with all your strength.
Alright guys, so it is the
27 hours later.
it's the morning after, or now it's lunchtime. We got here a little after 11, right at 11, and as you can see, the transmission is in the car. So the only thing we can figure is that we didn't have, that the clutch fell down. We had the alignment tool in as we were tightening up everything, and felt great, and then as we were putting the transmission in, for whatever reason, it would not go into place. Also the dowel pins, for whatever reason, was holding us back. So Craig got in there, sanded on those a little bit, and cleaned out the oxidation in some of the bolt holes on the transmission, which this car doesn't have but like 62,000 miles on it. So really, you wouldn't think it had enough miles on it to have anything like that, but I guess it did. Anyway, as you see, yeah. So anyway, well, we've got it pretty much in. We've got to fix the exhaust. I did not. Got to put the exhaust back on, starter, drive shaft. Craig noticed he's got a little bit of a seepage on the rear diff, so we got to check that out next. But yeah, here yeah, she's a little wet. So that, I guess that'll be the next thing that we address. But yeah, guys, it's coming together. Check out how that new shifter goes up in there. That looks a lot better, don't it, than that junk that was on there.
Oh yeah, 100%. It's a lot shorter too.
Yeah, it's got a real short throw. So anyway, we're gonna finish connecting some of this stuff up. We'll kind of do it off camera, and yeah, bring you guys back and show you the end result.
Show them the clutch.
Oh, the clutch. Oh, how bad was the clutch? We think it was a pressure plate issue. So it's really, yeah, it's really not horrible. But the issue is having that, when he would like get on the car or accelerate, the pedal would go all the way to the floor and then it wouldn't come back up. So it was either a, this car has the, what was it, the slave cylinder and the throw-up bearings built into one unit. So it was either that or the pressure plate wasn't springing back at higher RPMs. Something was going on.
That's what it was, the higher RPMs, the pressure plate.
Yeah, that's kind of what we were thinking. Because after he'd do a pull or something like that, he'd hear or get the smelling clutch. But as you can see, it's not completely burnt up. I mean, there's some hot spots in the flywheel. There's no cracking or anything, and it really doesn't look that bad. So, alright, well, we're going to get back to it. It's starting to get the pedal back now. It took us a minute to get it bled. How's that new shifter feel?
I like it.
I like it.
Not the same car already.
Yeah. Alright.
I had to borrow a shift knob.
Oh yeah, the 4-speed shift knob?
It's only a 4-speed.
Yeah.
I got one of them racing transmissions in here.
Just forget the fact that it's got 2 extra gears.
Yeah, 5th and 6th don't even work.
Yeah.
We deleted those when the transmission was out.
What do you think? We'll have to relearn how to drive it now.
Yeah.
Alright. As we got this thing finally put in, we got it after 3, it's like 3:30, 3:15, something like that. Just gonna go through and recheck everything, make sure that it's good to go. But we got a mess. I just realized we got a lot to clean up. Yeah, you made a mess. You made a mess. Look at all this. Craig, how you work in these conditions? Anyway. Alright, well, that's it. It's in. Ready to go. Be ready for our first test drive here in a little bit. Craig, I thought you said it wasn't going to get out the shop. It barely did. How you like the shifter? Very nice. How much?
$640.
Golly. That's a lot of money.
Yeah, well, you funded it when you bought my other car.
Oh, yeah, that's right. You want to blow the head gasket?
Yeah, well, it didn't blow until after you bought it. So.
He said it was sold as is.
It was. I thought we agreed on that.
All right, well.
Now we gotta clean up.
Yeah, now we got to clean it up.
The least fun part. I can do the work, but I don't like cleaning up.
Yeah, me neither. Not really.
I wish I could hire
It's not that bad. We got most of it cleaned up. So, yeah. So I know there's going to be some folks asking me about this car back here. So this is a Duster. You said Damon, but this one came with inline 6, right? And of course they stuffed a 340 in it.
Yeah, apparently it's pretty rare because it was ordered that way.
Ordered with it.
It was a Demon with a Leaning Tower of Pisa.
So, and they've been working on it quite a bit here. Y'all are wiring it and getting it running more or less?
Full wire, plumbing the fuel system, making sure the brakes work.
Okay. And then, check this thing out.
Cooling system.
So you got this little deal going to make it where you can test motors before they put them in cars. This is a big block Chevy?
Yep.
Yeah. Obviously, because the distributor's in the back.
It's a 396.
Ooh, 396. So, anyway,